Malacanang officially announced that presidential daughter and incumbent Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte is 7 weeks pregnant with triplets. Communications Secretary Martin Andanar said President Rodrigo Duterte is delighted with the news, hoping that his daughter will be able to see through the pregnancy smoothly and well. According to Andanar, Mayor Sara's pregnancy serves as a source of inspiration for the chief executive to roll up his sleeves and work double time in his fight against crimes and drugs. Andanar said President Duterte is hoping to leave a legacy of a Philippines safe and secure from crimes and drugs to future generations of Filipinos. Mayor Sara and husband lawyer Manasseh Carpio have 2 children, 7-year-old daughter Sharky and 3-year-old son Stingray.
Chief City Officer Jeffrey Tupas revealed the good news that Inday Sara is 7 weeks pregnant with triplets. In her statement, the city mayor explained that she will not be able to join the merrymaking activities in the city.
We are expecting triplets, and they are doing well on their 7th week. The human body is made to carry just 1 baby, and I am experiencing threefold of all the pregnancy symptoms that a woman goes through.
Despite her current situation, the good mayor said that although she may be physically weak, she assures everyone that she is on top of the situation in the city. She also expressed her sincere gratitude to all those who helped put up the celebration for Kadayawan 2016.
5 araw na ngayong tumatakbo ang 31st Kadayawan Festival sa Davao City. Pero napansin ng marami, nasaan si Mayor Inday Sara Duterte? Kanina binasag ni Mayor Inday ang kanyang katahimikan sa pamamagitan ng kanyang information officer. Ayon kay Jeffrey Tupas, mahigit 1 buwan na raw nagdadalang tao ang kanilang mayora.
We are expecting triplets, and they are doing well on their 7th week.
Ipinakita sa media ang ultrasound na kuha noong nakaraang linggo sa Davao Doctors Hospital. 38 anyos na si Inday Sara at nabuntis daw siya sa pamamagitan ng in vitro fertilization. Ganito rin daw ipinagbuntis ni Inday Sara ang kanyang pangalawang anak na si Sting. Inilarawan pa ni Inday Sara ang kanyang pinagdadaanan sa pahayag na binasa ni Tupas.
The human body is made to carry just 1 baby, and I am experiencing threefold of all the pregnancy symptoms that a woman goes through. I am having a hard time with the symptoms as well as the complications of a multi-fetal pregnancy.
Gayunpaman, hindi nag-file ng leave of absence si Mayor Sara. Pinayuhan lang daw siya ng kanyang OB-GYN na huwag na muna pumunta sa matataong lugar tulad nga nitong Kadayawan Festival para hindi mahawa ng sakit o magka-impeksyon.
I may be physically weak, but rest assured that I am on top of the situation here in our city.
Ikinatuwa naman ni President Duterte ang balita. Siyam na ang apo ni Duterte sa kanyang 3 anak at ang pagdating ng triplets sa first family ay inspirasyon daw sa kanya para doblehin ang oras sa paglaban sa droga at kriminalidad.
So what's your decision? Today,
dili to tinuod uy actually nadunggan lang nako ang mga rumors sa mga chismis and there wasn't any truth to it. Gipasagdan lang nako sila kay nalingaw ra magpugkog paminaw sa mga chismis.
May department heads na po.
Sige, name the office and then I'll name the name.
City planning.
City Planning, Ivan Cortez.
Agriculture.
Leo Brian Leoterio.
Tourism.
Tourism, Jean Rose Texon.
Business Bureau.
Business Bureau, Attorney Torrentera.
City Administrator.
I'll get back to you on that. Okay. I'll get back to you with the city administrator position.
Si Sir Art, no? Ibutang mo sa city.
Sir Art Bogato? Dili, yeah. He's after Kadayawan, he'll go to DTI. Yun ang sabi sa akin.
City Tourism.
City Tourism, Jean Rose Texon.
Okay.
Saan siya na public safety?
PSSCC and Central 911 Concurrency, Emmanuel Haldon.
City
Sa kanina city traffic, no? Si Pulikit.
City
Traffic is Pulikit. City Engineer, I'll get back to you on that. City Information Office, Jeffrey Tupas. Universe.
Rewind, oo, okay, wala na.
Wala. there were just rumors and there wasn't any truth to it. And wala na lang po na ako siya gibawi. Ganahan man po ko nagbasa sa Facebook sa mga komento sa mga tao. So, sa mga haters o sa mga fans, tinubagay sila. So, it was amusing while it lasted.
So you'll be reporting back to office on Monday?
Coming Monday.
Tomorrow, sir. My leave ends today. So, tomorrow I'll be back sa office. Yes.
It's Saturday tomorrow.
Oh, pero wala man may Monday to Friday. Pag mayor ka, 24/7 mo na siya, sir.
How will you attend the sauna this Monday?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, that's why I already ask you to ask your questions now because I'll be leaving on Monday for the sauna. I will be attending the sauna of the president.
So there's no truth to the report, mga speculations na ikaw yung DILG at papalitan.
Wala. I'll stay on as city mayor. There's no truth to anything na mag-resign ko or muhawa ko sa Davao City. Wala na. Definitely that those rumors are not true.
Have you talked to President Trump?
Wala. Since birth. Since wala pa pinag-istorya. Sukad birthday sa akong mama. Yes. Katong sa Cebu. Mo pa to'y pag-istorya na.
Ma'am, can you speak for your brothers, ma'am? Kasi ikon sila nga dili daw mo mga ting sa zona. Karon i-confirm ka nga mo attend ka. How about your brothers?
Wala pa. Actually, Viber pa na ako sila to say kung mga tuba sila kay libre daw ni Mayor Rudy Tanan. Mo tumato na lang ko. Libre ang ticket and libre daw ang hotel ni President.
Ma'am, will you attend the international conference na nangyayari po? At mangyayari tomorrow on Sunday?
Already declined the events for the weekend.
So what was the reason of absence or legal absence?
Nag-legal absence ko. Kinahanglan ko magbuhat og I had to do personal things para sa ako ang mga lain na trabaho and dili ko gusto manggod na nagbuhat ko ato samtang in office ko. So I had to take a leave of absence kay ko an magud siya mga contractual obligations na ko kaniadto pa even before I decided to run for mayor.
Ma'am, since pagdayantig ka o pagkami iwasun siya may one term dili tinod ng mga chismis. So sa inyo mo ang focus sa inyo ang administration list na?
Focus, nag-identify ko og 10. So, wait lang. Infrastructure, poverty alleviation, agriculture, health, is in order. Sustainable solid waste management. 6/10. Okay na to. Napakoy ko lang. Upat
Di ba
nakalimutan.
naman may plano sa una na mag-element?
Pala, housing, so 7/10. Plano gihapon na siya karon and we'll look at it again. Kato siya na plano.
Priority po ba ang rehabilitation center?
Sa grant. Sa pagkakaroon ba, hasasig sa inyo. Kung unsa nang existing, ako alam na siya o pero to build a new one, di na siya priority for the city. Nabi, mas daghan kinahanglan na tutukan like ang ato ang blood control, matakupay na siya. So, parang mga ingana nato mas prioridad nato sa pagkakaroon.
Ma'am, na-concern ang mga ipasabayan sa konti ng mga nagtutulong. Hindi ba sila mga estudyuhan pa daw karong kay murag reklamo daw ang mga commercial spaces na diba kung mga nakapwesto na sa bigas atong sa kahinya sa inyong opisina sa mga nasulti sa ginimo ni Sir Pulikin.
Ako ang nagsugo actually kay Pulikin na i-rearrange because there were health concerns with regard to eating beside open canal. So, na-concerns na yun nato. I-consider na namo ang mga objections sa mga commercial establishments sa Pika side. And appeal na to siya. Actually, nalanghit may tarong sa ilahan. Padana namo sila og salat na there will be a rearrangement. Particularly katong mga food stalls na mapalayo sila sa kanal. Because Rojas Night Market has already been established na murag street food destination sa Davao City, and really nag-raise na health concerns ako with regard to sa kadaghanan.
May kahabol po ang sila
Kana I have to read the papers on that kay I was not part of the government when that deal or that project was discussed. So I have to read the papers on that.
May mga barangay officials ngayon na parang involved sa drugs. And anong plano natin sa
I lead the anti-drugs campaign to see kaning ato ang SSDO, ayon sa ato ang city sports, and sa ato ang police kung na-implement ito. I suggest katong mga involved sa drugs, they either surrender or put themselves to rehab or just simply stop. Ang uban, di naman ang kinahanglan di rehab yun. Mahunong lang din sila sa ilahang gusto.
It was passed to the order, pero ginapatanggal itong 10%
Katong sa green spaces, yes. Oo. Nagsorya namin kaganina ni Ivan Cortez and will be coming up kasi gi-refile nila ang katong supposedly dapat na amendment. No? So we'll be coming up with that paper to be presented during the committee hearings dito sa City Council with regard to that, and to present the stand of the executive department dito sa legislative department. So depende na sila on how they will take it and how they will vote. Pero kami, we are coming up with a paper already.
May stand na po.
Yes, oo. We will not allow the amendment of the ordinance.
Yung sa DMU ma'am, sino po lagay papalit natin yung Chimlani?
DMU ma'am, wala na ko siya gikambyuhan. Even tong term na ko dati, wala may DMU. Kay namagway duplication na sa trabaho yun sa DMU. Kay ang City Engineer's Office, na sila drainage nila na office. So, kanaan lang ato ang gamiton. And then, gumagan lang nato atong mga manual cleaners sa katong actually nag-announce naman si acting mayor dati katong sa baha personnel.
Ang mga JO, ma'am, napirmahan na ilang.
Job order, wala. For August, wala pa. For July, wala man to sa kuha kay naka-leave man ko sa January, sa Monday pa man ko mabalik. So, I'm sure napirmahan na siguro to sa naglingkod dati.
Your expectations sa zone ng PRRD?
My expectations will be he will present what he will do to make do on his promises during the campaign and what he want to do for the next year sa ato ang nason. Ato ang syudad daw nason. City Sports, Michael Aportadera, Assistant City Administration for Administration, City Administrator for Administration, si Attorney Domingo, Assistant City Administrator for Operations, si Attorney Lawrence Bantiding, General Services Office, si Malubanggayan. Sa pa ba?
Bakit tulad po yung city?
Yeah.
Sino pinagpipilian?
Sa City Admin, kung anong na siya, it's a position of trust and confidence yun. That's why co-term gani na siya, co-terminus position na siya sa City Mayor. And maghuna-una pa ko and mag-assess pa ko who is the very best person na ibutang din sa kanila position. But we are in good hands with Attorney Domingo and Attorney Bantiding. Si Dwight, si Attorney Domingo ang OIC at City Administrator. City Treasurer, OIC si Ma'am Tanjili. I have to get back on you sa DCIPC. Nag-concurrent siya, sorry. DCIPC and City Planning nag-concurrent si Ivan Cortez until makakuha mi og maka-recruit mi og someone to replace him.
Nakatay City Architect's Office.
City Architect's Office, I have to get back on you with that. CIO, no, si Jeffrey Tupas, and then si Chief of Staff, City Mayor's Office, si Attorney Raul Nadella Jr.